Hello guys, so in this video I want to talk about actions on buttons on our website. Now sometimes we have buttons that are leading people to a page or your YouTube channel or a video or an offer and we want to know if people are clicking on it, and you want to know how many clicks, where do they come from, and all of that. I know there's a Google Analytic that you can check out your website and all of that, but really it's for all of your website. But let's say you have one button on your website or more button, and you want to know if people are clicking on it, how many people are clicking on that button. Well, on Builderall, we have an amazing tool that is in Pixel Perfect in the website builder that you can check that out. So I want to show you how to put it in, how to configure it, and just show you how it works. So it's just amazing. So let's go into the website. Okay, so I'm here on my website and I have a lot of resources on this website. I lead people to ebooks, to presentation, and all of that. And each little block here, I put a button and I want people to click on it to go and check it out, to download it, check the presentation, and all of that. So it's for sure people, if they click on it, I'm sending an email and all of that. But I'd like to know if they're clicking on it from my website, because I may use this offer on other platforms. I may share it to people on the social media and all of that. So on this website, I have a lot of things like I show you. And let's say this button here. So it's for starting to build your website, and I want people to go and check that out. So these, when they click on the button, I'm leading them to a website, right? So when I want to configure my button, so I do a right click. I'm here on Builderall, by the way. I do a right click and I go on action. And I'm leading people to this website. So I paste my website right here. But if you go lower here, you can see that I can check my click analytic. So if I click here, you can get a counter on how many people are clicking on this button, right? So here I have created a couple. As you can see, all of my offers up there, they're all here. And I want to create this one here. So I go to click create a new counter. Okay, and these are all the counters I have. So I click here to add a new. So I know that it's hiding right behind here, and I have to name it. So here I'm going to name this one starting your website, right? Here we go. And we go to, we're going to go on here and save. And we save the name of this button. It's called Start Your Website, right? So as you can see, Start Your Website is right here. So when I go back, I do a right click on my button, go to the action. And since I'm opening this in a new page and I want to know how many clicks, how many people are going to click on this button, I just go and going to use this named button, Start Your Website. Here you go, and okay. So now every time somebody is going to click on this to go and check out that website or that page or that offer, I'm going to know how many times people are clicking on it. Okay, so if you go to your actions and you want to see your actions, you go back to your analytic and you go to create a new one, and you can see that these are all active. So when I'm going to go, this website is not on right now. I'm working on it. I'm finishing it. So I just want to make a quick video on how it works. So I will be able to see how many clicks I have on each button right here on my website. So this is really a neat tool that you can use on your website in Builderall. So if you do not have an account on Builderall, you want to start to build your website, don't forget to go in the description on this video and you're going to see a link that says a 7-day free trial to Builderall, and you're going to be access to a platform where you make your account. Then you're going to land up on a page, and you're going to receive an email from me that's going to giving you instruction to start and build your website. And you can do this on Building Your Website with me, with Mary Mano. Okay, so see you in the next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell if you like my videos, and I'll see you in the next video.